Okay, so I just got my Actifry. Been hearing a lot about this thing. If you know me, I love my Instapot, so I figured if this makes frying easier and healthier, let me try this too. So right now I'm getting some breakfast ready, and I got some sausages in here already, and so I'm gonna turn it on and see how well this bad boy actually works, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right. So let's close that. I really don't know how to work this yet, so I'm just going to turn it on and time it myself. And okay, so this has been running for about 20 minutes. I'm going to turn it off. And you can hear it sizzling in there. Not sure if you can hear that. It sounds like it's sizzling really nice. I guess I got to unlock this. Then pop the lid. Wow. Wow. So, you know what I'm going to do next? I'm going to do my French fries in here and see what happens. Let's see if I can do my whole breakfast. That looks delicious. Wow. So the active fries so far, I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed. Now I'm going to try some French fries. So these are just some store-bought wedges. I put a little spoon of oil on there. I just put it around. So let's close it up. And let's press go. And I'm going to wait about 20 minutes and see what we have. It's been about 15 minutes, and these bad boys appear to be done. So we turn that off and open that up, and wow. Wow. They're like deep fried and hot. Wow. So I was happy with how the fries turned out, the wedges turned out, how the sausages turned out. I was going to do eggs in it, but I'm not so confident on that yet. So I'm going to plate the breakfast and we'll see what it looks like. So here we are, my first active fried breakfast. Didn't do the eggs in the active fry, but the sausage and wedges turned out beautifully. Got a little avocado on the side to complement the meal, and it looks lovely. So the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to try my famous chicken wings later on this evening, and we'll do a video about that too and see how that turns out. Alright, hope you enjoyed. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.